Diary entry number 1. My name is Miya Akiba, and I've been in a zombie apocalypse for about a year now. I decided that if I'm going to die soon, I should as well document what happens and who I am. This is my first journal entry, and I'll introduce myself and summarize all I've done so far. I'm age 16. I'm a human. Never thought I had to say that. And my special skill set is endurance and speed. I've earned myself the title of foreign archer here, and God knows where at this point. Something doesn't feel right about this place. It just doesn't. I feel like I'm being watched constantly, and not by zombies, and certainly not by the people I'm around. Speaking of those people, I've met a group of great people, and though we may tease and kid each other, we all do care for each other, and they're like my second family. I don't want to lose them. I can't believe I came here for a simple vacation, and this is where I am now. I miss the times when I used to go to my mother's farm, my mother being Mazaki Akiba. She taught me how to use a bow and arrow when I was a young child, but I always thought it's kind of stupid to need to learn, and would ever use it. And look where it's gotten me, alive for a whole year now. My dad, Josh Akiba, used to take long walks on the beach, and some waves hit the sand as the seagulls quacked at the sky. It was really calming on our house by the beachside. And I know that now isn't the time to reminisce, and I should be on high alert, but sometimes I do want to try and de-stress and not be running and fighting for my life all the time. People call me lucky, I guess. Lucky is the proper word for someone stuck in a zombie apocalypse. When I was younger, I was able to avoid getting hit by a single rock in a rock fall. My mother was worried sick. My dad was freaking out, calling the police thinking I got trapped, but I was perfectly fine. I'm praying that luck carries over to me, my family, and my friends as well. I miss Joshua, my brother. He was like my best friend, and now I don't know if I'll ever be able to see him again. This place it's doing things, and not just to me. Everyone always seems so anxious of late, and it feels like the more and more we move forward, the more and more shit we reach and find out, and the more this whole theme doesn't seem right. I just don't understand what's going on. Well, if someone does find this, and if I am dead, and you do manage to return it to my family, Josh, Dad, and Mom, I love you, and I'm going to miss you. But I'll make sure that everything you guys have taught me, I'll put it to practice and keep myself safe until we can meet again.